Okay, as the new council, the inaugural Women's Council is taking pictures with His Excellency. I will recognize Prince Ibrahim Kalema Chimera, the head of the family of King Nuh Kalema. I also recognize the presence of senior modulator and Hajat Zahara Ziwa, the chief protocol of the event, Hajat Hanifa Haladi, the Patriotic League of Uganda that has Honorable Farouk Gashumba, Honorable Juma Witonze, Honorable Bashir Semakula, Sulaiman Semakula, we also have our good musicians led by Ajat Halima Nantongo, Hajat Halima Namakula, sorry, and the rest of the musicians. So I will invite Your Excellency, our chairperson of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council Women Council is Honorable Hajat Sophia Kenyaji Safina, a very well-read lady, and I will invite my co-MC to give us a brief profile in about 1 minute of who Honorable Hajat Sophia Kenyaji is.
Thank you, Your Excellency. What we are witnessing today is the affirmative action you have given the women of Uganda, but most importantly, the Muslim women. Your Excellency, the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, for the past over 50 years, we didn't have a woman sitting in the General Assembly. The General Assembly is an equivalent of the Parliament. It's the Parliament of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. But as we speak, through His Eminence, the Mufti of Uganda, Sheikh Shaban Ramadan Mubaje, in 2016, he introduced a Department of Women and Youth, Your Excellency, so that the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council is in alliance, is in abeyance with the laws of the country. Your Excellency, through this leadership of His Eminency, the women were given a desk, and through that, we were able to usher in 10 women into the General Assembly for the first time in 10 years. That is why we are celebrating this day today. Hajat Sophia here is now the national chairperson of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, but for the women of Uganda, Your Excellency. The person I'm speaking about, Hajat Sophia, is a professional in healthcare management. She is highly educated with master's degree in public health. Your Excellency, Hajat Sophia is the managing director of Old Kampala Muslim Hospital. She is providing a lot of support to the people of Uganda in that sector. She is also the CEO of Princess Healthcare. She is a director and founder of Cancer Control. Your Excellency, the list is endless. She has done immense work in the health sector, Your Excellency. The person I'm ushering in to speak, Your Excellency, once a leader, always a leader. I was in Mbogo High School. She was the head girl of Mbogo High School. In the years I served, Hajat Sophia Kenyanji, we are very proud of her. She served diligently, and today I am a very proud Muslim girl to be led by her under the umbrella of the Women Council. Your Excellency, I don't want to say much. She has a lot to talk about the plight of the Muslim women in Uganda. But what is hitting us most is poverty. Your Excellency, poverty is hitting the Muslim girl child. You have empowered us. You have given us positions, and we are serving. And we are very proud of you. You've seen what a Muslim girl child can do. But Your Excellency, we want more of them. We want to see more Muslim women in positions of power. We want to see more Muslim women in positions of power because we are also supported by the men. Your Excellency, I remain Hajat Medina Naham, the Director of Finance and Administration. I thank Hajat Sophia Kenyanji, our National Chairperson, and also our Hajat Namakula for mentoring us under the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council and uniting us. May we all raise up to welcome our Chairperson to give her speech. Thank you so much. Hajat Sophia Kenyanji, the National Chairperson of the Women Council of Uganda. Please come and speak to your women. Come and speak to Uganda. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Your Eminency, the Mufti of Uganda, the Vice President, Her Excellency Jessica Lupo, Honorable Ministers, Cabinet and State Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, National Chairperson, Uganda Muslim Women Council, Uganda National Council, distinguished guests, RDCs present, permanent secretaries present, respected leaders of Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, my fellow women, National Muslim Women Council, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your Excellency, allow me to introduce my executive, though it was introduced, to stand here and have official introduction from the 10 Muslim districts. Allow me call Sheikhat Radhia Namakula to come and stand behind me. Today marks the defining moment in the history of Muslim women in Uganda. As we stand here on this blessed day at the heart of Uganda Muslim Supreme Council's vision, we are united to witness the birth of National Muslim Women Council. Your Excellency, this is the team of the women that we lead together. She's our secretary. She heads the department for the women, which has